Today we're going to be changing the window on the passenger side of a 2013 Nissan Versa. First thing you got to do is take off the door panel. If you want to know how to do that, then check out my last video. Next, you take off this cover. You're going to have 2 screws to take off. Let me show you the replacement. These are used replacement we got from the junkyard. You can see the tabs are the same. If your window was smashed like mine was, make sure to vacuum inside the door, or you're going to be hearing all the broken glass rattle while you're driving down the road, even after you change your window. What you're going to need to do this job is either a 10mm socket or a Phillips screwdriver. Go ahead and take those 2 bolts out. Before you install your new glass, make sure you don't have any broken glass anywhere. Like this crevice, you take a flat head, just run it down, clear any glass. As you can see, the glass lines up with the track on both holes. This little pocket I want to rest on the rail and line up the hole. Once your glass is lined up with the track, go ahead and tighten down the 2 bolts. Before you put everything back on, like the door panels, make sure you test out your new window. Make sure there's rolls up and down tracks and no problem, no interferences. Moment of truth. Looks like we're good. If you found this video helpful, then like, comment, subscribe. Appreciate it.